Welcome back to the channel. When she secretly wants to sleep with you, but is too shy to admit it. Most men miss this because they don't understand how shyness disguises attraction. When a woman secretly wants to sleep with you, her body and mind start working against each other. She flirts in reverse. In this video, we'll break down 8 subtle signs that reveal when a shy woman's restraint is actually desire and disguise. The psychology behind it is wild. And by the last sign, you'll realize just how much a shy woman reveals when she thinks she's hiding everything. If you're new here, welcome. We drop daily men's dating advice. Hit like if you're ready to improve, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. 1. Her avoidance feels personal, not polite. Shy women often retreat when attraction feels too strong. If she suddenly becomes a little elusive after a deep or intimate moment, it's not rejection, it's protection. The idea of sleeping with you excites her so much, it actually spooks her. She'll back off, not because she's lost interest, but because she's trying to calm the storm her body already started. 2. She treats you like a voltage she can't touch. Watch how she behaves when you're near. Does she seem slightly overstimulated? Fidgeting with her hair, adjusting her clothes, glancing away when you look at her too long. That's not disinterest. That's someone trying not to short-circuit from the thought of how it would feel to cross that final line. 3. She tests you with micro-confessions. She might make tiny, incomplete statements that flirt with the topic, but never finish them. I've never really been that close with someone like you, or you make it hard to focus. Yes, these are her test balloons, ways to see if you'd catch the hidden meaning without her having to risk open vulnerability. 4. Her compliments get strangely specific. When she's shy but secretly wants to sleep with you, her words reveal it by accident. She won't say, "You're hot," that's too forward. Instead, she'll fixate on oddly intimate details. How your voice drops when you're tired, how your hands look on the steering wheel, or how you smell after a long day. She's describing the experience of you, not the appearance of you. 5. She guards her boundaries too consciously. Ever notice how she insists on things like, "I shouldn't stay too late," or "don't get the wrong idea"? Those warnings aren't rejection, they're reverse tells. The shy part of her feels she has to build walls, precisely because she knows how easily she'd let them down if you pushed. 6. Her imagination leaks through her nervous laughter. When a shy woman is secretly turned on, her sense of humor betrays her. She'll laugh a bit too quickly at mildly suggestive comments, not because it's funny, but because the idea hits too close to what she's already imagined. Laughter becomes her smoke screen, the only safe way to handle what she actually feels. 7. She creates safety before she flirts. Unlike bold women who lead with teasing, the shy one first needs emotional shelter. She'll ask you thoughtful questions, remember small details, or open up about her insecurities. It's her way of making sure that if intimacy ever happens, it won't feel like exposure. It'll feel like trust. When a woman builds comfort before tension, it's often because she already pictures what would happen after that trust deepens. 8. Her eyes tell on her during silence. If you've ever sat in stillness with her, no jokes, no distractions, and felt the air thicken, that's her truth breaking through her shyness. She might not move closer, but her eyes give her away. They'll flick between your mouth and your eyes, as if she's silently fighting herself. In that moment, she's not thinking about conversation anymore. She's thinking about what it would be like to finally stop pretending she doesn't want to sleep with you. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.